Now, the issue of gender has also been raised in Belgium too, where the Constitutional Court there has ruled that the rights laws for transgender people must be relaxed.
It is not reasonably justified for persons whose gender identity is non-binary to be obliged to accept on their birth certificate a gender designation based on a choice of man or woman, which does not correspond to their gender identity as lived.
The previous law only allowed a legal gender change between male and female and didn't recognise any other genders. Any change could only also be made once. Since it came into force, more than 800 people have actually used that law. Well, the Constitutional Court of Belgium said that some of the norms established by the old law were not compatible with the country's constitution. So the court has now ruled that asking for a gender should either be removed from birth certificates or perhaps more options added. It's also removed the once-in-a-lifetime rule of gender changes, while people will no longer have to change their names too. We discussed the topic with lawyer Marni Halassa, who thinks there are more issues that still need consideration.
The whole concept of self-determination and the right to determine your own destiny is something that I really support. But I think I have to be delicate when I say this. I think, sometimes objective data of whether you're a male or a female, that kind of objective data has to stay true. Sports teams where a transgender person will identify and say that they're a woman, but actually when they get on the sports team, they have a definite advantage because they've been born as a male. We need to look critically at legislation like this that on the surface seems to promote the transgendered, and I think everybody is really all for that. But then when you see that it does adversely affect women, I think that's when we have to step back and have a real vigorous debate about this.